kalinaw. Yes po.
The latest swearing in the Quran, hosted by the Ulama Supreme Council, ang pag-abot ni Colonel Quirubin dire sa lungsod sa Kasuagan. As you know, Colonel Quirubin was the liberator during the 2000 attack by the MILF dire sa lungsod. Siya ang ni-anhi, he was able to recover the municipal hall, and then na-drive out pa niya sa kabukiran ang MILF. So when he came back last week, I invited also Commander Bravo, ang kanyang katunggali during that time. And as a symbolism of complete peace, ipa-swear nato sa Quran ang side ni Colonel Quirubin o si Commander Bravo with the promise that it will never happen again. So, as the witness, with other personalities dito, and that was the latest swearing in the Quran.
Katong Nobel Prize.
Yeah, yung ano,
Katong Nobel Prize niya.
Nobel.
Yeah, doon na kita gihula nga award system, which is considered one of the most prestigious award system in Europe, which is based in Geneva, Switzerland, ang Right Livelihood Award. We are finalists on that award. Tawag ani sa alternative to Nobel Peace, ang Right Livelihood Award. Yeah. Under ang atong entry is from arms to farms.
Okay.
Only Kasuagan in the Philippines.
Only in Kasuagan.
Alright. Kamura na ay entry ana yor. Ang inasaran na entry.
In the entire province ako gani duha ra sa whole region.
Okay. Mensahe po ninyo, Mayor.
Para sa tanan.
Okay. Ako lang giawhag ang tanang katawan, not only in Kasuagan and the province Lanao del Norte, but also neighboring provinces na we should practice organic agriculture. No? Mora na pamaagi to promote our health and wellness program. This is for the benefit of not only us, but also the next generation, because going organic agriculture is also taking care of our climate.
Thank you. Kato si Mayor Romel Adronet Kasuagan.